Hiya. So you want lush, cinematic woodwinds, but your budget is giving that light breeze through empty wallet kind of vibe. Good news, you don't need to spend anything. Bad news, slightly, you'll need to install things and subscribe to a few newsletters, that sort of thing. If you've already downloaded the strings, percussion and brass from this playlist up here, you'll probably have less to do. Here are 5 free Woodwind VSTs that can genuinely improve your cinematic sound, and some of them are surprisingly good. All links in the video description. Let's go. Okay, first up from Fracture Sounds, we've got the Blueprint collection. There's lots of different options here and you can quite happily download them all. The one I'm going to play for you now is this Woodwinds Ensemble. So let's have a listen to that. So it loads up in the free contact player. We've got staccato notes, sustains, and you can hear the way it works is it merges the instruments from the flutes at the top, comes down through the oboes, clarinets and bassoons. So really versatile instrument. It's like you can press one chord and suddenly think, hold on, I need an agent. I'm that good. The second choice is Chamber Orchestra 2 from Versilion Studios. Now this is a little bit more complicated to install or get to use, but actually not that hard if I just show you. If we come down here, you'll see that it's suggesting that what we actually need is a sforzando player, but you don't actually need that so long as you've got some sort of sampler within your DAW. What I would do is go to the direct download page like this, and down the bottom you'll be able to get the zip file for the source. What this will get you is this massive folder of files. Now, do with this what you like depending on your software, but in Logic, this is how I like to do it. I have copied the Woodwinds subdirectory, which contains these instruments, and I've put them in their own folder. I can then go into these folders and find the playing style I require. So let's go for sustained vibrato. Now, this is how I would do it in Logic. From the instrument plugin, what I'm going to do is choose the multi-sample sampler in stereo. And when that appears, all I'm going to do is go back to my library, select all the WAV files and drag them onto the sampler. And we're going to do zone per file. Drop that on there, it imports them, and suddenly you'll notice when it gets to the bottom and the top of the range, it just starts stretching the notes. So those don't sound quite so good, but in the sample range, really excellent quality. It's not the prettiest of solutions, but it is really useful. Think of it as a sketch pad, like a pencil drawing before the oil painting, or like instant noodles. Not fancy, gets the job done. Third up, Whispering Woodwinds from Sonixinema. I hope I'm saying that correctly. Not much to do here, just sign up to their newsletter and download from the link that they send you. As you can see from the description on screen, it says Woodwind Ensemble weaving in and out of each other. So a good way to play this is put notes down at different times so that the samples weave in and out of each other. So it gives you that really expressive feeling. This one's not about realism, it's more about vibes. And if your music doesn't sound slightly haunted, are you even a composer? My fourth choice is Arctic Swells from Spitfire Labs. Now you may be aware that Labs has now moved into the Splice instrument, so make sure you get this first and then you can download Arctic Swells. So you can see you get two options, Swells and Decay. I'm going to play Swells. So it's got that pad sound, but distinctly woods that are coming through. Especially when you play those higher registers. Lovely sound. And finally, BBCSO Discover from Spitfire Audio. If you haven't got this already, why not? This is your I need everything right now option. Full orchestra, clean sound, what's not to like? We're focusing on the blues section in the middle, going from piccolos, flutes, oboes, clarinets and bassoons all the way around. Sounds lovely. It won't blow your mind, but it will get you from 0 to this is actually a track in about 10 minutes. It's like the IKEA furniture version of virtual instruments. Simple, reliable, and somehow you end up using it for absolutely everything. So as a final thought, don't forget the secret nobody tells you, that it's actually all about layering. If you take a realistic library, a texture library, add a little bit of reverb, suddenly things start to sound expensive. Those 5 free Woodwind VSTs can genuinely carry your cinematic tracks. No subscriptions, no light version until everything is unlocked, and actually usable sounds. Okay, download the links in the description and go and make something dramatic. See you next time.